Hi, welcome to InterWell 2025.1. Meet our new pore pressure module, where you can estimate overpressure and formation pressure directly from your seismic velocities using Eaton's equation. Enjoy a revamped interface, new shortcut icons make it easier than ever to open seismic windows, adjust displays, and navigate through your project efficiently. And yes, your data loads faster too. With enhanced performance, importing and reading large datasets is now quicker. Unlock unlimited possibilities with the integrated Python editor. Connected to the InterWell database, it lets you read and write various data types, customize your workflows, run your scripts, and save them directly within your project. Our machine learning models just got better, introducing the next generation self-organizing maps with new semi-supervised options that allow you to hide neurons far from the training data, predict phases or continuous variables. And finally, this interactive topology view synchronizes navigation between seismic sections and neuron maps, allows neuron grouping from selected regions, and provide side-by-side evaluation of attribute maps for enhanced cluster evaluation. And yes, we corrected the bugs. Don't forget to upgrade.